Ice massage, change of diet. Acidity को treatment देते हैं with alkali food. Alkali food will be more of green leafy vegetables. No non-veg. And Shavasana to be done like this, with 2 legs and 2 hands separate. Even if this part of the story is done very religiously, the gas formation in the body will stop. Then you have to advise the patient to stop all gathia, jalebi, samosa, fermented food. 50% of the story will be cured. Because gas is less, stool formation is coming proper, acidity is better. 15 days it will take for the acidity to be better. Maybe you give some homeopathic or give some antacid type. Or usually I tell the patients, कच्चा दूध में सब्जा डालो, ड्यूक का सोडा डालो, and rasna syrup, by which it will cool, it will become like a faluda, it will cool the stomach. And because there is heat in the stomach, the patient feels better with ice application. In all the cases, ice will not be better, but ice is better when more heat is there. So now a simple case of back pain, how have we treated? Change of diet,
Ice.
position, ice, proper passage of stool, and then exercise wise usually we give these exercises. Take your 2 hands at the back and throw out the breath. What's your name, beta? Hemal? See Hemal like this. Again. Simple. And whenever you sit like this, with 2 legs separate. Why don't sit with joint feet or like this, how the gentleman is sitting? This is not a good posture, what you are sitting. Why? Because the blood circulation is being blocked. See, just get up, walk. Now when you are walking, what are you using? Which part of the body are you using? Can you tell me? Walk, still walk. Which part of the body are we using? Feet and legs, but the upper part is not being used. And hands, what are you using? Just go ahead. We are using only this to this. This part is not used. When you sleep like this, और नीचे रखो तब में पोड़ा करेंगे वैसा. Like this, if you will sleep, the blood circulation will improve in the whole spinal cord. It is sit. So it is all a story of how the blood circulation can improve. When you speak negative or when you say negative, those energy levels, the energy flow is disturbed already, it will be disturbed more in the pathological side. You are understanding? And when you will not give treatment immediately, the older the pathology in the body, the more time it will take to give treatment. So we say how much time it will take, why it is taking long. Now, कच्चा आम जब पकेगा तभी पकेगा, वो तुम्हारे 1 सेकंड इच्छा होने से वो तुरंत नहीं आता है बाहर. बच्चा 9 महीने से ही बाहर आता है. Yes or no? So the period of, पहला तो तुम डिस्कवर किया पेन है. अरे डिस्कवर करने के बाद रिकवर होने को टाइम लगता है. पहला कॉज देखो, डिस्कवर करो, उसको रिकवर करो, और बाद में फुल कवर ही आएगा. You understood? That pain, patient with pain of back pain was not treated properly because constipation was not detected. So you need to see not at the target organ, but which are the other organs which could be involved. Now second case we take up. Is this a good way of going ahead, or you have some suggestion? Please tell. I am ready for correction, open for correction. Please tell me. Any other way? Bolo.
We have to change the bath habits also.
Very good. Excellent. So, cool bath will help. Cool bath will definitely help because energy, heat and cold. There is lot of heat in the stomach, and if you are giving hot bath, what will happen? Now should I start with the second case? Pains will happen to anyone and everyone from birth to death. But patients who are till 50 or 60 years of age, it is very easy to give treatment. If the patients, we'll talk, question answers last 10 minutes में करेंगे. Any other specific questions you all want to ask for pain, that also we'll take up. We'll go from head to foot also. Now, I am a patient of 55 years old, having history of head pain, half side. When I go out in the sun, I get a head pain. When I get angry, I get a head pain. I've done CT scan, I've done MRI. I get sometimes vomiting, sometimes I also faint with my headache. And I'm on tablet Tegretol for my head pain. Sometimes my blood pressure also shoots up, so even my blood pressure medicines are being taken for head pain. How will I treat my head pain? I have history of acidity and constipation also.
Change the diet.
Very good. Second,
Don't let stress and tension affect you.
what else? What will you do for that?
Meditation or
What else? What else? Okay, what's your name? Hemal, no? Hemal, you are idiot. तुम काम नहीं करके हमको टाइम पे देता है. What do I do? I told you to give me the papers just now. The boss is coming from abroad. I want the papers. Why don't you do? You are a rascal. You never give me. What feeling came into your mind? No. What feeling is generated in your mind? That is my question.
Reaction after this.
After this conversation, what is your feeling? Achha, that is one. Second, that is what you will say, but what other people will say? Feel. Okay, that is one way. Third way, first is don't pay attention. Second is keeps on nagging. Third, keeps on nagging. Third, फटाफट बोलो fast. Anger और
frustration.
अच्छा, anger आया, frustration आया. 1 minute. Anger आया, frustration आया. What will you do? Say. Get up. You get up. Drink that glass of water. Take. अरे take water, open and do the action. So people के memory में जाएगा. अरे open the bottle यार. Action करो. This is to put into the subconscious mind. Understood? Now go. Open the loo and go inside. Now go and give gali to the boss. Say loudly, idiot. Usko. Now come sit here. Sit here. Now again open. Open the door. Go to the next room. Now hit on the wall. Okay? Sit here. Now what is happening? The anger is demonstrated and it is given out, so the anger is not traveling to the head. The weakest part of the body is head. So the anger, energy of anger, that bhava of anger will go and settle into the head. So you must know how to manage your emotion at a given time. Okay, now suppose you are Hemal, no? Hemal, you are sacked. You are out of the job. Give your resignation to me. मेरे को 10 करोड़ का ये था. You have not done the papers. You are sacked. So what comes into her mind right now? Fear, terror. Okay? Now what is your reaction?
I would please you to please like.
So what is the feeling coming into your mind? I want your feeling.
I'm scared.
Scared, so what feeling you will get?
Not guilty. I was doing my job.
आपका natural जो आता है वो बताइए. Don't make up and say. जो natural feeling आता है.
I'm scared. I am stressed.
So what is happening to you? What is your feeling that is generated?
What will I do? I will do my job, something like that.
Correct, but what is the feeling? Feeling आएगा तो वो symptom को जाएगा. I want your feeling.
You will cry, tension will increase.
So I know what is your feeling, Himal. कुछ बोलो. नहीं आता है feeling तो बोलो नहीं आता है. नहीं आता है feeling. Some people में go उसके हाथ में पेन आएगा होगा तो पेन से लिख नहीं पाएगा. नर्वस हो जाएगा, वरीड हो जाएगा. राइट? जब नर्वस होता है या वरीड होता है तो कैडबरी खा लेने का. 10 रुपए का कैडबरी या नींबू पानी मंगा के धार 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 पी जाने का, वो एनर्जी उसको डेविएट हो जाएगा. द होल ट्रिक इज हाउ टू कन्वर्ट दैट एनर्जी इनटू अ पॉजिटिव वन, or to just throw away that tension outside. If you learn to manage that, the weak target organ in the body